So last week, no, 2 weeks back, bengihost live. Wathatha isikhathi eside. But into engingayifunda kulo live loyana eyasticka engqondweni yami, and that made sense to me. There was a lady called Usis T. Shout out to her. Topic besinayo. I ended up saying, it took me for a long time to understand uSlindile. It took me a long time to know what uSlindile uthandani, ufunani, color, favorite color, what kind of food I prefer and all that, because I was looking for my father's face in other men's faces. I was looking for my father's validation through other men's faces, and making an excuse. I don't know whether to say I was making an excuse, but not having utata in my life because baba mshone ngisasemncane. But now she said to me, no. I-problem yenu nina nifuna ukufoma uthando in different shapes, different meanings, different colors and all that. Uthando, it's universal. It doesn't matter ukuthi uyowalithatha kuphi uthando, but uthando lune texture A1. As much as sesisho ukuthi uthando onginikeze lona alukaze lafana nelikabanibani or elikabanibani, but love did visit you. Uma wakho uye wakuthanda, omakhelwane baye bakuthanda, abangani bakho baye bakuthanda. Love is universal. How you love your kids, it's still love. Waze wathi kimi, so it's only you who becomes specific, the kind of love you're looking for. You're the one who creates a void. Ngothando wena olufunayo lelo ozobuprefera lona at that time, but it doesn't mean that love was never there. So now, in most cases, you have this thing that when there's a certain love you never had. Mhlambi uyaba nothando luka mama, ulazi uthando luka baba. And then you meet these people who comes into your life. My intentions are amabi. Trust me. Noma ungaba flat kangakanani bazokutshela ukuthi unamaqhuma. They will never appreciate you. They will never see good in you. And wena ngoba unalo thando oluspecific olufunayo kubo ongakaze wale experience ngokusho kwakho, you will stay. You will stay. As I said that, these people sihlala sibenzela ama excuses. Mostly into ye isihlalise kuloma relationships lawo, it's because of sina that leap of hope. Uzobona ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Uzobona ukuthi angisiyena lo muntu owayehlangene naye eqala. Okay, when you lose yourself in a process, you get out of your ways to make this person to be convinced ukuthi when you are different and all that and all that and all that. But the question is, njengoba wena una certain love ulifunayo kubo, bona, are they looking for the very same love kuwe? Because angeke uzumshintsha umuntu, guys. Yabo lento ukuthi umuntu ngamshintsha in ayenzeki la umuntu ushintsha ngoba yena sekafuna ukushintsha. You know how painful it is being with someone ongakuthandi around abantu abakuthandayo, including your kids. Abantwana bakho baze bazi ukuthi mama baba kodwa akakuthandi. Abantwana bakho bakhule becabanga ukuthi that's the only way uthando lungayo. Uze wathi omunye umngane wami ngelinye ilanga, yazi mngane wami mina, wena ungcono kunami njengoba ungenabo abazali. Akunanto ebuhlungu njengokuthi uhlala nabazali bakho ufeel ukuthi ekhaya kuyabanda, uzufeel ngathi awunabo abazali kodwa bakhona. Because of we stay kuma relationships for izinto ezingekho. We stay for other people's reasons. We stay because of what the society is expecting of us. We're staying in relationships because for the sake yokulasta. You want to prove a point ukuthi nawe uyakhona ukugcina umuntu. How do you gcina umuntu ongafuna ukugcinwa? Uwe. You stay because of usaba ukuthi wena uzoba ne body count. Do those people want you to stay? Do they fight for you? Akunanto emnani njengokufunwa umuntu okufunayo. Akunanto emnani njengokulwela umuntu okulwelayo. Do we get that in relationships? Or ufeel ukuthi you the one, this relationship i-survive ngoba wena ubalansile. And you know, but udilulu ngoba unamathemba. Unamathemba ukuthi nizoba right. Unamathemba ukuthi one day lo muntu uzoshintsha umqondo ngoba uzobona ukuthi wena uyamthanda. And nekheke ali last this relationship. Pashkwai I last this relationship. So nje I become angry at myself sometimes because when I look at it, but like, Slay, for the longest time you were a fool. When you sabotage for the longest time in your life, and you cannot be bitter for anyone. You allowed it. You allowed it, Slay, time and time and time and time again. Ngicabangela umndeni. Phela babo umuntu wami bayangithanda. Uyakuthanda yena. You know, but we look good together. Does it feel good? Yeah. Kunzima. I know sometimes we make jokes about Jolo being pandemic and all that, but ziyakhala.